Today we are going to do question 7 of exercise 1.3. Question is given 2 multiplied by first matrix, that is 2, 4, minus 3 and a, plus 3 multiplied by second matrix, that is 1, b, 8 minus 4, equal to 7, 18, 10 and 1. First of all, we have to multiply first matrix with 2 and we will get 4, 8 minus 6 and 2. Then we have to multiply the second matrix with 3, we will get 3, 3b, 24 and minus 12. We can see that we have addition sign between these two matrices, so we have to add them. First row will be added to first row of the second matrix, second row of the first matrix will be added to second row of the second matrix. By adding these two rows, we are getting 7, 8 plus 3b, 18, 2a minus 12 equal to 7, 18, 10, 1. We can see that the first column of the both sides are equal, and therefore their second column should be equal, because we can see that we have equality sign in between these two matrices. So by comparing, we can see that 8 plus 3 is equal to 10. We have to change the side of 8, it will become minus 8. So by subtracting, we are getting 2. Then we have to divide both sides by 3, or just we can bring 3 from the left side to the right side. We will get b is equal to 2 over 3. Then 2a minus 12 is equal to 1, 2a is equal to 1 plus 12, or you can write 12 plus 1, we will get 13. We have to bring 2 from the left side to the right side, we will get 13 over 2. So we are getting a is 13 over 2 and b is 2 over 3. It is our required answer. Now question number 8. Question number 8, values of matrix A and B are given, and we have to prove that A plus B transpose equal to A transpose plus B transpose. Left hand side, first of all, we have to solve. So for this, we have to find A plus B. By adding, we are getting 2, 3, 2, 1. Then we have to take its transpose. By taking the transpose, we are getting 2, 2, 3, 1. Because you know that the first row will change the first column, the second row will change the second column. Now right hand side, first of all, we will find A transpose, then B transpose, and we are going to add it. A transpose will become 1, 2, 0, 1. B transpose will become 1, 1, 2, 0. By adding these two matrices, we are getting 1 plus 1, 0 plus 2, 2 plus 1, 1 plus 0. By adding, we are getting 2, 2, 3, 1. We can see that left hand side and right hand side are equal. So in the same way, you can do the part 2. And now we can see that in part 2, your left hand side will be equal to right hand side. Just in the place of addition, you have to do subtraction. Then part 3. Part 3 is A plus A transpose is symmetric. For this purpose, first of all, we have to find A plus A transpose. A is 1, 2, 0, 1. Its transpose is 1, 0, 2, 1. By adding, we are getting 2, 2, 2, 1. After we have to take its transpose, the transpose will become 2, 2, 2, 2. And then we have to apply the formula by taking the transpose. A plus A transpose equal to A plus A transpose whole transpose. If the matrix itself and its transpose both are equal, then we can say it is symmetric. So in this case, we can say the A plus A transpose equal to its own transpose. So we can say it is a symmetric matrix. Then part number 4, it is about skew symmetric. For skew symmetric, first of all, we have to solve the question, that is A minus A transpose. For this purpose, we have to take the transpose, then we have to subtract it. Then for the skew symmetric, the transpose of the matrix should be equal to negative the matrix. So transpose of the matrix is 0, 2 minus 2, 0, a whole transpose. We have to take the transpose, it will become 0, 2 minus 2, 0. And the negative of the matrix is 0, 2 minus 2, 0. We have to multiply with negative sign, we are getting 0 minus 2, 2, 0. So in this case, both the sides are equal, so we can say that it is a skew symmetric. If it is not equal, then we can say it is not skew symmetric. Then same method which we have used for the part number 3, we can use for part number 5, and we will come to know that it is also symmetric. Then part 6 is similar to part number 4, because it is we have to find that it is skew symmetric or not. So at the end, we will come to know that B minus B transpose is a skew symmetric, because the transposer matrix and the negative of the matrix both are equal, so we can say that it is a skew symmetric.